Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon. Performance and panache with the preponderance of driving pleasure. This is a wagon that is both elegant and enormously versatile. Harness the 7-speed paddle-shifting power and revel in the ride the Airmatic self-leveling rear suspension provides. You'll be protected by Collision Prevention Assist Plus, Pre-Safe, Attention Assist, Embrace, a premium 24-hour personal assistant, and 11-way airbag protection. You'll be in control with a Rearview camera, Smart Key, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and the COMAND system with central controller. Become a part of the timeless tradition of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. Take this E-Class wagon for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.